video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic ring. Now, many people think this can be quite hard, but this is the simplest way that I know how to do it. Simply take the short end of the yarn and place it over the front two fingers of the hand that doesn't hold the hook. Now you're going to wrap this from the front to the back and then up again to form an X on the front of those two fingers. Just place your crochet hook under the middle of the X, hook the top arm, bring it up and out, and then gently extricate your fingers. And you see you have the hook on the ring. Now to secure it there, all you need to do is a chain stitch like that. Now if the first stitch of your pattern is a single crochet, then one chain is fine. If it's a double crochet, you need 2, and if it's a treble, you're going to need 3 chain stitches there. Okay, but for the sake of ease today, we're just going to do a single crochet. Now the first line of my pattern says I need 5 single crochets. So we're going to do that straight into the ring. So you just do the first one into the ring, that's the first single crochet there. Don't pull them too tightly because you want to be able to pull the ring at the end. Now this is the second one. This is number 2 and number 3. We'll get there. Number 4, and the last one, number 5. Now when you're pulling the ring to close it, don't pull it too tight because you want to think of the next line of the pattern and you want to be able to get your hook into the first stitch, which will be the first V there. So if you pull it too tight, it will be a lot harder to get in. But this way, you can simply push your hook into it, do the first stitch of the next line, which is 1 single crochet, and then you can simply pull tight and close up the hole in the middle of that circle. See? And there is a magic ring.